My name is Ty Sullivan. I'm the Vice President of SPF Window Tinting, and we're here today at the Eureka School. This is a Hattiesburg Convention Commission property that we're so delighted that we get to be a part of. This is a beautiful, historic 1920s building that the community and the Hattiesburg Convention Commission has come together and restored. They plan to use this as a museum and an archival spot for tourism and field trips, and really highlighting and showcasing some of this era of time. The Eureka School is a naturally lit gallery, meaning that the majority of the light coming into the building is just from natural sunlight. And natural sunlight brings in a ton of harmful radiation, so it's important for them to do something about that if they're going to keep artifacts and museum pieces here. One of the main reasons they brought us here was because we're a partner with 3M, and we wanted to provide a coating on the windows to block out the harmful radiation that comes in that could damage the artifacts and the furnishings of the building. We brainstormed with the commission and we walked the building. We showcased some different films. We looked at everything. We looked at the overall design, and we decided to go with a product called 3M Prestige 50. The product's been a perfect fit here. It's non-reflective interior, non-reflective exterior. It has a 99% UV rejection, and it's a good overall fit for this building. This project has over 2,000 individual panes. That's a lot. In our world, that's a lot of window film and a lot of work. Each individual pane takes anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes to do. They all have to be clean, they all have to be cut. It's a very long, dreary process. But we were excited about it. This was a big deal for us as a company to be able to handle this and do this. Not only were we able to help them with the window film, we were also able to help with some of the interior signage, and that was a real honor. We had glass cut by local vendors like Davis Glass. We had vinyl signage designed and cut by Signs First here in Hattiesburg. And through doing that, we were able to handle that for them. We mounted the standoffs, we worked with them on the fonts and the colors, and just created an overall beautiful product. We ended up doing a lot of opaque white view control film here. It was a perfect fit. We had this historic building, and we don't want to run blinds and shades on these old buildings, but they needed privacy in some of these rooms. So we were able to go in and do the opaque white on the bathrooms and different places of the cafeteria to really just tie it all in and show the benefits of window film and how it can take an old building like this and make it functional for present day. This Eureka School project is monumental for SPF Window Tinting. We've now been in business for 20 years. And in those 20 years, it hasn't necessarily been about winning every project, but it's been about elevating the trade that we have. This trade takes a long time to master, and it's important to us. So this building was built in 1920, 1921, and I think it's one of the most beautiful buildings in Hattiesburg. So for at this point in our career and at this point in our business to be able to be brought in and extend our trade onto this building and extend our trade onto people of the community and our staff, it just means a lot to us, and we couldn't be any happier to be here.